What's up, guys? It's Sal. Today I'm going to be opening this Dragons of Tarkir little pack and this big pack from Dragon of Tarkir. If we can open this, that would be great. And, okay, let's see this. Volcano Rush, instant attacking creature gets +2/+0 and you gain trample until end of turn. Oh, sorry, this is what the card looks like. Just tell me if I get good ones. Oh, is that a... Ooh. Pretty. Nice. Okay. Just... Alright, I'm just gonna... Okay. So, these cards don't really matter. They're just booster packs. So, I'm going to look at them later. Hopefully these... You can pause if you can't see it well enough. I'm going too fast. I'm just trying to get through this because these packs don't really freaking matter. Why waste time? Ooh, whoa, I saw dragon. Yep, creature dragon. Whenever an opponent casts a spell, put 1/1 creature on some sort's region, and you gain 1 life. Flying. Yes! Okay, dragon. First dragon. Putting him here. Okay, and basic land and somebody that I already have. No, we did it. Okay, let's start from the front back. You guys said put in some superstitions because are you okay. Holy crap, second dragon. Arshan Savorigan flying when this thing... No. This cannot be real. Oh my goodness. When Arshan Savorigan dies, you may put it on the top or bottom of its owner's library. Checkmate. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Secure the wastes. Instant. Regular old instant. Did it give me... Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys don't know. You guys don't freaking know. I did not. Are you freaking... Okay. Okay, so put in some superstitions. What the fudge? Look at this. Oh, crap. Look at this. 0/0 cards. What's the freaking... Oh, wait a second. This one sucks. Sucks balls. There's 2 of them. Things. Let's see here. Do a kick the wall pack card. Okay, let's see. I can't see it. Ow! I kicked it like 4 times. Okay, let's see. That's what I get for kicking the wall 4 freaking times. Slap your, let's see. Slap yourself. Is it? Oh my God. 2! What's the point? Okay. Can't read that. It's too small for it. Do a pillow pack. Oh, they just described it. Okay. Pillow pack is when you go like that, I guess. 3, 2, 1. Destroy target, attack you. Oh my God. Let's see. Do a rip pack. Do a rip card. Whatever this is, I have to rip it. I'm glad. I'm just freaking glad. This is like the worst. Do a shoot. I got 2. I got 2. Wait a second. These 2 are the same. Nope. Okay, just 1 sec, everybody. Just calm down, calm down. This is just not happening right now. Picking up all my cards. I'm not gonna rip them. It's not. Okay. These are the cards that I got so far. And none of them are really good. I'm not gonna rip any. If I did, my dad would kill me. Even though I bought this. Okay, so there's only 2 that are worth of crap. Okay. These 2. This dragon, both of them dragons. Well, no wonder it's a Dragons of Tarkir pack, but yeah, they're my only 2 good cards, so I'm just going to place them on top of my camera here. Oh, crap. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to place the good ones up there. And find the good ones afterwards. Add, nope. Enchanted creature can't block or, can't attack or block. Oh, I get it. That one's actually pretty good. You target a creature on the other team, and then they can't attack or block. So, same thing. Nice. Forest, 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 plains, 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 plains. Oh, land. Oh, okay. So this one's called Evolving Wilds. It's a land. Okay. Sacrifice Evolving Winds. Search your library for a basic land card. Put it into the battlefield tapped. I'll put it over here, but... Ooh, another dragon. Okay, let's see him. Flying whenever one or more 1/1 counters are placed. Another creature you control, you may put a 1/1 counter on an enduring Scale Lord. Oh, this guy's Scale Lord. Okay, 4/4, pretty good. I'm just gonna keep him in the middle. Crap, I just put my elbow into all my cards. Let's see. What the hell? Actually, he's a dragon. He should be up here. Okay. Only have a few cards left. Okay, another Scale Lord. Nice. We're getting a bunch of dragons. Oh, I have one of these right here. Another one of those. 2 bird soldiers. Pretty good. 2/3 each. Pretty good. I'm gonna keep those. 2 champion of Arshins. Both 3/2s. Human soldier. 1/1. 2 of them. 2 human wizards. 2/2 each. Okay, creature bird 1/3. I'm gonna keep that over here. And then a 2/3 human soldier. Light walker. 2/1. Another light walker. Another light walker. Jamoka warrior. 3/1. And then another Jamoka warrior. Okay, so these are the only cards that I give a crap about. Okay. Dragon. Enchantment. Dragon. Dragon. Enchantment. Dragon. Some of the other cards were good, but I mean they weren't as good as these ones. So, yeah. Well, I hope you guys liked it. It was kind of long, 12 minutes, 13 minutes, but I'll see you guys later when it's at 13:10, so I'm just going to talk about me. I'm Sal. My name's Jeff. Subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye.